Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Pankaj Gupta.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Pankaj. I work in Google's office right here in Bangalore. I lead our engineering teams in India and Singapore for a very important initiative called Next Billion Users. I'm really excited to be here with you today at Google Developer Days because I'm myself a developer. I have used many Google APIs over the years. This is the first GDD ever in India, and this is the largest developer event that Google has held.
Please welcome back Pankaj Gupta.
Thanks, everyone, for joining us this morning. I hope you're all as excited as I am about the progress we have been making with our developer product and platforms. Thank you to our speakers, Dan, Sachit, Kaz, Anita, Tal, and Francis. For the rest of the day, you're invited to participate in technical sessions, trainings, code labs, and explore the sandboxes right outside. So please enjoy the Google Developer Days India event. Thank you.
Welcome to Google Developer Days India. We're happy that you'll be joining us for 2 days of talks, demos, hands-on training, and more. By now, you've checked into registration to receive your badge. Your badge must be visibly worn at all times, and don't forget you'll need it for the amazing after-party at the end of the day. The help desk is located near registration. If you have any questions or are in need of assistance, feel free to stop.
Hey, namaskara, swagata. Hello and welcome to Bangalore. And for those of you from Bangalore, thank you for welcoming us to your wonderful city. My name is Sam Dutton, and I'm a developer advocate for the web. From the Chrome team to answer your questions and solve your problems in the web area. And come and check out our stuff in the sandbox. Check out the Lighthouse if you haven't seen that already.
The web team is also running 3 hands-on workshops, 90 minutes each. So today, data-driven progressive web apps, how to build web apps that work with data online and off, using Workbox from website to PWA, and then tomorrow morning, combining accelerated mobile pages and PWA. They're in the other building. And come on over, they're free. Bring your laptop and we'll get you to some really interesting stuff.
Yeah. And if you want to learn more about PWAs, I've actually put together a whole bunch of links to great resources at bit.ly/PWA resources. So lots more good stuff there as well too, from external experts. And lastly, always, if you want to learn about what's new on the web, do check out Web Fundamentals. Our content at developers.google.com/web is, right at the forefront. Stuff from people who are building browsers and working on web specs.
And that's it.
Yeah. I mean, most of all, please feel free to contact, Sarah and me, and speak to any of the Googlers here.
Yeah. OK, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. We're here to learn what you're doing on the web and to find out what we can do to make the web better and help you build great experiences for all your users. Thank you so much. Dhanyavada. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sean McMillan, developer advocate for Android. At Google I/O, we announced that Kotlin is a supported language for Android development. And today, I'm going to talk about how Kotlin can help you write great code. I'm going to do that by diving into some typical test code that you write every day and adding Kotlin. We're going to go pretty deep, and full warning, most of this talk is code. I thought I'd start out by talking a bit about what Kotlin is and why we've decided to or work on an existing development in this area. And of course, you. There's more Android developers every day using Kotlin for work and for fun. The Kotlin open source community is still getting started, so now is a perfect time to jump in if you want to start a Kotlin project or work on an existing one. Thanks. Catch me after this at office hours to check out our Kotlin instructor-led training tomorrow if you want to learn more about Kotlin.
All right. I'm going to start in about a minute here, but I just wanted to say hi to everyone who's here. I know that that food is really tempting over there in the other half of the auditorium. So, how many people here have actually played, downloaded the Android O SDK? Just give me a. All right, good. And how about support library 27? All right, mostly hands. Good, good. I mean, to me, the support library is the most important thing we do. Next to, maybe maybe architecture components or Kotlin to the platform. They're all pretty important. So easier and more realistic with a dynamic animation. So, and certainly I look forward to seeing what you make. And so that's it. I hope that this was a wonderful overview for you of a little bit of what we have in the support library and Android O, and enjoy the rest of your day here at GDD India. Thank you.
I'm Megan Carney. I manage a team of technical writers who help developers build for the web. I'm also a mom. Functions, kind of learn how to get that dialogue going on between your PWA and your assistant app. And then the final one, which is really cool, is to add push to your Firebase PWA. I linked to probably the best get started video out there on push, and also the Stack Overflow discussion that Matt and I had. In general, like, push notifications are pretty straightforward. You do get used to it once you know that you have to kind of pass in the string and parse it, but it's worth kind of exploring and playing around with it. And that's it. So thanks very much.
Hi, everyone. My name is Shailin Tooley. I am a developer programs engineer at Google, and I will be talking to you about writing battery-efficient Android apps that use location. So, location-based apps. In the background not being used. In O, with these location limits in place, things are much more serene, things are much more organized, and your battery consumption is much, much less. I'm out of time. I've actually gone over by 3 or 4 minutes. But I would say, I hope you write location apps. I hope you write location apps that are ambitious. And I hope you take away from this talk that it's possible to do that and not sacrifice battery. Go ahead, code it up. Thank you.
Hello there. Good afternoon. Welcome to Frameworks and Tools for Progressive Web Apps. My name is Rowan Meerwood. I'm a developer advocate for Chrome and Web. That means you want to watch for those future developments, and if you have a direction that you would really like the project to go, then this is the time to make your voice heard. So please, go out and give those tools a try, give feedback on how you found them, and I would like to say thank you very much for your time. Any other questions, come find me or poke me on Twitter, and please enjoy the rest of the event.
Hello, everyone. My name is Florinda Muntanescu, and I'm a developer advocate at Google. Earlier this year, at Google I/O, we announced in alpha the architecture component. You just bind your view holder to the item. In your activity, you need to make sure that it extends app-compat activity, so it has a life cycle. And then in the onCreate method, you would create an instance of your adapter, and then you would observe the changes of the live data of a page list from your view model. And then whenever that live data emits, you will set the new list to the adapter. So now we have a list. The architecture components have a high usability also because of you, because of all the feedback that we've received on it. So check out the paging library and give us feedback. Tell us what works, what not. Tell us where you would need more things to be done by the library instead of being you the ones that have to implement it. So we had a lot of new concepts and components. We have lifecycle, live data, page list, view model, we have room. But the thing is that you can use them separately. You can pick and choose the ones that you need for your application. Or, if you want, you can use all of them together. Check it out, and let me know how it went. Thank you.
Hello, hello, hello. So welcome everybody to Modern Tooling, Testing, and Automation. We're going to talk a little bit about Lighthouse, Puppeteer, and Headless Chrome. So we only have 30 minutes, a lot to cover in that amount of time, so let's go ahead and get started. So my name is Eric Beitelman. I am an engineer on the Chrome team. I work with web developers all over the world and help you guys build amazing which V covered Puppeteer, the DevTools protocol, if you want to really know what the DevTools can do and that API can do, really, really awesome stuff. The article on Headless Chrome and the Chrome Launcher module, if you just want to work with Headless Chrome, check that out. So I think with that, we're all done. And we really appreciate you guys sticking around. We know it's late in the day. Thank you, everyone on the live stream, for attending. My name's Eric Beidelman.
I'm Vinamrata Singhal, and thank you for coming.
Woo.
Hey there, everyone. Welcome to the last session of the day. You've almost made it. We are almost at the after party. Thank you for coming along to talk. My name is Nick Fortescue. I'm a software engineer on Google Play, and this is my colleague.
Hi, I'm Johannes.
Seeing you later, but enjoy the party. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sebastian Trzynski-Clement.
Namaskara Bengaluru. मेरा नाम सेबास्टियन है और मैं गूगल में काम करता हूँ. आप सब लोग कैसे हो? I try to speak. To know more, or come talk to us today, or find us online. We are here to help you create amazing solutions to help solve real problems. And I want to hear from you. I want to hear these stories. I've been hosting events across emerging countries for the past 7 years, and I have to say, this event is quite something, but it was not possible to actually host this event without an amazing staff and production crew. People whose, I will not name everyone, but among others, Monica, Peter, Ben, Laura, Vanessa, Karthik, Dishant, many of them which I'm forgetting, but it's thanks to them that we can have this great event and have all of us come together today and share that experience. So let's give them a warm applause. Thank you for them. So, final few words. Bear with me. Aapka safar anandai ho, aisi meri shubhkamna, aur main aapse fir milne ka आश्वासन करता हूँ. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, please can you make your way to your chosen breakout session, which will begin in 5 minutes. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please can you make your way to your chosen breakout session, which will begin in 5 minutes. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Amrit. I'm a developer advocate at Google, and today we're going to talk about performance tooling. Imagine you built an amazing app, and you've now rolled it out to a lot of users. They've installed your app. Which is again going to ensure, which is going to make sure that the CPU doesn't shut down or the screen doesn't shut down, and at the end, increase the battery usage of your app. Or excessive wake-ups. Is your app in the real world waking up too many times because of external signals, push notifications, or just because there are too many alarms on it? Any of these things, background processes, all these things waking up your app too many times. And we also have a section in DAC, developer.android.com, where we have specified for each section how the Android vitals, what are they, and how you might want to respond and work with them. That's it from me for today. I hope some of these things are useful for you, and you've learned something new here. Go back and profile your apps, and if you make substantial improvements, do let us know your story so that we can come in and help you with more stuff. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. Thanks for being here on a Saturday to hear more about PWA, AMP, other exciting things. My name is Ben Morse. I'm a developer advocate at Google, where I work on the web, helping make the web easy for programmers, fast, beautiful for users, and such.